In this video we will learn about how to add extra fields on user backend profile. At first, go to user meta, shared fields and create any field that you want to put into the backend profile. I am going to create a drop-down field. So, I am taking the drop-down from basic fields. For example, I want to make the drop-down for language, that's why I am naming the field label as language. You can see that the meta key for the field is automatically created. Write down the options for the drop-down field. L is for label of the option. Add more options with plus button. And to delete existing option use minus. You can set a default value by clicking the circle beside your preferred option, so the field will have the value even if it is ignored. If you tick the advanced mode, you can classify your options by different groups. Create your groups by naming them and place them with drag and drop procedure. Tick the required field if you want the field must be filled. There is also an advanced option. If you want to learn more about it, please check the link in the video description. After configuring the basic fields, click Save Changes. After that, go to Settings, Backend Profile. Down in the Extra Fields in Backend Profile section, you can see your created field in the Available Fields. All you need is to drag from Available Fields block to Backend Profile block. Next, save the changes. And then from the menu bar go to Users, Profile. You can see that your created fields appeared there. This way you can customize your user's backend profile page as your business requires. Thank you for watching.